Pranab actually did want this. Pranab wanted to be the next president of India because it was very clear that he would never be the next prime minister. There is Rahul Gandhi in the waiting. His time has passed. He's played a brilliant innings as far as I am concerned in the Congress, and I surely think that he made the correct decision. But there is also another aspect behind it, that the next question is that did Sonia Gandhi want Pranab Mukherjee to be the next president of India? I have serious doubts about that. Traditionally, the Congress has been very averse to having a very strong candidate in the Prime Minister's seat because they feel that this will break the dynastic politics that they follow. I use the word dynastic politics because there is no other phrase left to use. After Rajiv Gandhi, if Sonia eschewed the post and did not become the Prime Minister at a point in time, then it had to be Rahul or Priyanka Gandhi, and that is exactly what is happening. The family likes people like Manmohan Singh, no disrespect to him, to be in that post because they do not threaten the family directly. But with someone like Pranab, there's always a possibility that Pranab becomes his man, builds another legacy which can severely dent the family. Sangma has been pushed into this role in a very strange fashion. Kalam was the main man when it came to being the presidential candidate who was supposed to have opposed Pranab Mukherjee, given a stiff fight. But Sangma was pushed because Kalam opted out, which left Mamata Banerjee red-faced. It also left BJP and NDA in a very sticky situation because then otherwise they would have had to concede a walkover. So they decided that, okay, let us support PS Sangma. Sangma's best hour, in my opinion, was when he was the Lok Sabha Speaker. After that, politically, he has been in the cold. He was a pretty unwelcome guest in the NCP, although he is a founder member. Sharad Pawar, who is the fountainhead of the NCP, would be the happiest because he's finally got rid of PS Sangma. He never wanted PS Sangma in the party because of their own differences, and it's a pretty well-known fact. What will Sangma do now? He is in a position where he gets publicity. BJP knows that, and NDA knows that it's a lost cause, but they have to go along with it. I'm pretty sure that Pranab Mukherjee will be the next president of India. In my mind's eye, I would say that Sonia Gandhi may not have wanted Pranab Mukherjee to be the next president of India because she would not want to lose. In Sonia Gandhi's position, I wouldn't want to lose my best firefighter. I wouldn't want to lose my best man in parliament because in a seemingly dead debate where through the day the UPA gets hammered by various people and by the opposition, and then at the end of the day up rises Pranab Mukherjee, gives a brilliant speech point by point. He does the rebuttal, great mind for facts, great mind for parliamentary understanding. Now you've lost that man in a president's job. If I were Congress, I'd be pretty worried.